Welcome to another painting tutorial. This one we're going to look at the Cadian guys doing contrast colors. Basically you want to paint these guys up quickly so you can do a big legion of them and keep it simple using contrast paints only. Obviously you can go and do more highlights with these later, but this will get you a good base coat, good battle ready sort of plan so you can get lots of guys painted really quickly. Okay, so we're going to start off with Apothecary White. This is going to go on a couple of the little eagle symbols on the helmet, gun, and back. Then we're going to do the flesh. Basically, we're trying to start with things, the lighter colors or the inside colors, things closest to the base here. Now we're doing the Aggaros Dunes on all the cloth bits. So this is the fatigues, the pants, the shirt underneath, the arms. That's about it. This goes on nice, but it's a bit of a thinner color, so you don't want to get anything on top of it or put it on top of any other contrast colors. Alright, now we're doing the Basilicanum Grey for the silver bits on the gun. You could skip this step and just do it in black or not. It just depends on how much detail you want to add to these guys. You could leave this till later, just do it in the green. The sword there, or the knife, is kind of optional. Again, depending on how streamlined you want this process, you can kind of cut out some of these things. Black Templar on a bit of the boots. This is another one you could skip because it's only a little bit of it here. It doesn't really add a whole lot to the detail of the model. And then Camo Creed for everything else. So this is the main colors. Between the sort of the fatigues and the green here, these are the two main colors that you see on the Cadians. Yeah, this one here is important to get without going over the lines. You gotta keep being careful around the eagle there, or the skull eagle motive on his head, and yeah, put it on nice and thick, but not too thick. Make sure you don't get too much pooling when you're doing your contrast paints. And there we're all done. You got the spats on the boots as well, and some of the pouches on his waist. And these guys paint up really quick. If you're doing an assembly line, you pretty much don't have to worry about the drying time for contrast paints. Otherwise, these guys paint up almost instantly. They're very, very fast. Not a lot of work to do with these. And there you have your Imperial Guard. Let me know if you have any other suggestions for future painting tutorials. Be sure to check out my channel, subscribe, like, and all that stuff. See you next time.